Hey there, this video is to show you the Kids Connected site as a registered parent. So first I'm just going to click login and log in as a parent. It often remembers you if you've logged in before and already registered. And now it's time for me to decide how to find a class. So typically I like to push browse, and then that option gives me many different opportunities to search. Maybe there's an activity director that I really enjoy the classes the most. So I'm actually going to look for an activity director that my son enjoys. And that is the Parkour Generations Boston. And so if I filter by them, it gives me their two class options that are out there right now. I'm actually going to register for the series. And I can see that this activity director offers a one session, or I can sign up for multiple sessions. And so we're going to take a couple more classes the Wednesday, and he's already registered. It's in the cart. And then we're going to take a look at his Friday class. And you can see that I have two students already registered at Kids Connected. And so I'm going to select Carter and add him to the cart. All right, his enrollment is registered. He's signed up for two more classes. I'm going to continue shopping for a class for my other son. And I can actually search by category. I can see what classes are posted under each category. And I'm going to check out the science class. Oh, this is a great series or enroll in one session option. I'm going to take a look at something that may fit his age group. He's 10, and it automatically starts searching for you after you select that option. Brought us back there. I can sort by the names of the classes. I can sort by the cost of the class. I'm going to go back to browse to clear out those filters and basically uncheck that science section, that science category. Oh, I can search also by calendar, which is really convenient. So I can grab a class for my other son on Friday. I can see what's available on Friday. And there's some really great options. Got a baking class. I knew he probably would not enjoy belly dancing, but so the site is really, really flexible. I can even pick how long the class. And next week, if I wanted a camp, I could actually select from the longer sessions that we have available during Thanksgiving. I can see these different options for Thanksgiving week, Thanksgiving break camps. That is what it looks like on the parent end. As soon as I check out from my cart over here, it's going to actually send me an email address with the class link, which is really great. And then a day before the class or the morning of the class, it actually sends a reminder email with that same class link. So it's really convenient to not get lost in my email from when I registered. I can also check to make sure that I have everything I need for this class in the how to prepare section or materials that we need. The activity schedule again gives me the two options. and I can review everything that I want to make sure that this is the right fit for my child.